and warm welcome to my channel Gift That Grows. Have you ever thought of gifting something to your loved ones that really grows? Friends, you can easily grow few plants at home with just few simple techniques. So today we learn how can you grow money plant. Money plant, which is also known as pothos. So to grow a money plant, basically I have chosen money plant because it is very readily available and it is a very carefree plant, and also it can be grown indoor as well as outdoor. So let's begin. So in order to grow a money plant, what we will have to do is we will be needing few cuttings, 5 to 6 cuttings, and they should be approximately 4 to 6 inches, or you can even take bigger than that. And usually when you will see the cuttings of the money plant, you will see that usually all the cuttings contain nodes in them, and these nodes are actually having the rooting hormones, and the roots will come out from these nodes. So what we'll do is I'm cutting the bottom one or two leaves of these cuttings so that the one or two nodes are completely inserted into the water. Friends, I prefer growing money plant in water because through this you can keep an eye on the roots growing, and in case any cutting is not developing or is getting rotten, so you can change it with a new one. Also, I thought of sharing this with you guys because I myself have been practicing this for quite a long time now, and with this technique I have grown approximately 5 to 6 pots in my home, and they are growing really well. So we will place these cuttings in water, and in 5 to 6 days you will see that from these nodes small roots will be coming out, and in approximately 12 to 15 days your cuttings will be mature enough to plant it in the soil. Now I'll show you something. These are the cuttings which I have grown few days back, around 12 to 14 days back, and you can see how beautifully they have grown, and they are ready to plant it in the soil. Friends, I just reminded myself to change the water. So you have to change the water of these cuttings in 4 to 5 days so that the roots are getting sufficient nutrients to grow. Now I'll show you few of my plants which I have grown through cuttings. These are few cuttings which I have planted in water approximately 2 months back, and look at how beautifully the stems are still growing, and look at the roots which have grown in these 2 months. I only changed the water of these cuttings. Now I'll show you. Look at this plant, how beautiful it is. I have grown rest of the cuttings, I have grown it in soil, and you will see that I have grown approximately 5 to 7 cuttings like a bunch. Friends, whenever you're growing cuttings in soil, try to grow at least 5 to 6 cuttings together so that they look like a bunch. The more dense or the more bushier the plant is, the more beautiful look it's going to give. So isn't it beautiful enough to gift it to someone? You can maybe change the pot to some ceramic one which is easily available in the market. Friends, plants just don't brighten your home, but they are actually acting as live air purifiers, and money plant is one of them. So keep growing more and more plants. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. In my next video we will learn how can you grow jade plant through small cuttings. So stay tuned. Please do like and subscribe my video. Bye bye. See you soon.